This is refreshing. Clean drinking water is a wonderful thing that many take for granted, yet few ponder how it's actually processed. And this is a thing. It's called the KL50S self-priming pump and can process a lot. This resourceful little pump is one of 59 transforming waste into clean water and biogas in a highly efficient plant in Finland. The project was managed by John Booth and his team in a rather lovely part of Germany. They are understandably proud of its modular design, low life cycle cost and high reliability, which is also a wonderful thing. John spent many years learning Gaelic. His favourite saying is "Tuas moi liach na hebre," which means a good start is half the work. Atlas Copco Group, technology that transforms the future.